Hello everyone, welcome to Cherokee Lockpicking. Well, I received a package today and this came clear from Australia, and this was Dark Arts Lockpicking giveaway and I won Yahoo. So let's open it up and I'll show you what I won. Pretty excited about it. I know one thing in here I really like. Man. Cool. See all kinds of cool stuff. Alright, first of all, here's one of his pinning trays that he made. I'm sure you've all seen that. And if you don't know who Dark Arts is, I feel bad for you. Go over there and check him out. Yeah, he's cool. He's in Australia. He's got a cool channel. And if you don't need this for getting locked, you can always use it for a paddle. And I have nobody to paddle though. Too bad. Okay, now we got some more shims. Oh, it's funny because I just said I was going to get some more. I love these shims. They're from Sparrows and they got all different sizes. Wide ones, skinny ones, long ones, short ones. I love it. Thank you, sir. And this is what I've been looking at. I love South Ord picks. Wow. Check them out. And the ones that I have are actually the Euro picks. I'll show you the difference. And which are a lot skinnier. And these, to me, when I look at these, they look huge, you know. But yeah, look at the difference in the shafts of those. And I'm so used to using the Euro, I don't know how I'm going to do with the other, but we'll see. I can always modify picks, do it all the time. So anyway, thank you very much for that. And this is number the MPXS 14. And always a nice leather case. And this is the key ring organizer. I think that's pretty cool. So I'll be trying that one out. See how that goes. Remember years ago we had leather ones that you opened them up and snapped them and you put them all in there, and they were pretty cool, I thought. Times change, I guess. Ah, Medusa. Yeah. I don't have one of these, so I look forward to trying this out. And I can't get the package open. Well, you guys know what it looks like. It's pretty bad when you can't get a package open, huh? There we go. Man. Ooh. Alright. Yeah, I can't wait to try that out. I haven't tried one. Very cool. Okay, now we have a feeler. Yep. Now I don't have one from Sparrows, and that's where this is from. I have one that came from Peterson. I have different sized ones from Peterson. I don't know why I can't get these open. Very cool. I like the thickness of the handle on this one. It's rubberized. Yeah. Very nice. Feels like the same thickness as my other one. And I'm murder on them. Okay, alright. There's a couple of stickers, and he did ask me, and I did not forget, Dark Arts, to send these on to Lockpicking's gal. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Looks like there's another sticker. Yeah, this one's about to come off the paper. Okay. And we got two things in here. And a piece of cardboard. Alright, cool. Let's check this guy out. Right on. Master Lotto Lock. Now I've got one. No excuses to put on Lotto Lock Tuesday, I think it is. I'm getting mixed up on the days and stuff. And whoa! Wait till you see this one, guys. Is that evil or what? Man, pretty cool. Boy, that is a challenge. Ooh, it doesn't want to go in there real easy, but very cool. Well, needs a little bit of filing on there. They're real sharp. Yeah, I can feel it hanging up. I'll put a little light file on there, and it'll be just as smooth as can be. Okay, now let's check this out. It's like Christmas. I love this stuff. Okay. I hear it. Cool. And this is from Sparrows as well, as you can see. And if I can get it open. Okay, here's one of these. There we go. Now this is for master pinning, which is cool. You got a lot of parts in there, springs and all different size. Oops, this one's open. Yeah, they came open and fell out, but it fell out in the tray. That's cool. So anyways, this is all the keys and different ones to master pin, which I'm aware of that. I think I might save this as a giveaway, because I've had my share of master pinning locks, but this is pretty cool. Very nice. Yeah, very cool. Okay. And I do have 200 subscribers coming up. I'm at 199 myself, so I gotta start thinking about what I'm gonna do. Anyways, Dark Arts, thank you so very much, and I'll make sure that I get these stickers over to Lockpicking's gal. I do have one of yours that you sent to me, and so I'll make sure these get passed on. And thank you so very much. It was a very nice giveaway. I appreciate it. And everyone, thank you for joining me, and have a good evening. Bye-bye.